It's probably like one of the best street cars to drive.
Yeah, this is sick.
Guys, thank you for watching. This one was sick. Let's do a quick recap. 1988 BMW E30 M3. This one was awesome. One of my favorites. This car has a built motor by VAC Motorsports. It's an S52 out of an E36 M3 BMW. So he sent the motor out to VAC, him and his buddies. They tore it apart. Full engine build, GT35 turbo, Garrett turbo with precision wheels, upgraded wheels. It's twin scroll, all the good stuff. You guys heard it, sounds insane. Engine bay is super clean. BC ground coilovers. They may not be ground control, but they're BC coilovers. This is probably the most fun in a street car you could get. We didn't take it on the highway. We didn't really go anywhere.
No.
It was like, you could blast this thing around all day and have the most fun.
Yeah.
Catch you on the next one.